There's no way those are the doors you're supposed to go in. This is right. Here, give me a second.
If your song turned out now, maybe you could ask him.
It's saying that it's over there.
Spoiler alert, that wasn't the real door.
Nope, it wasn't.
I think that one ended up being closed even, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, in this video, we're actually doing something a little different. We're going to take you on a journey with us that we took to a new city to go thrifting in. I would tell you to stay tuned till the end because we found 2 particularly pretty cool items for 50 cents. So stay tuned for that.
Let's open it. Come on. No tag. $1. Alright.
You back here?
$5.79 for a pair of Miss Me's is a great deal, but one pair didn't have a tag. The other pair, everything checked out, so I bought those.
Ooh.
I ended up buying this very cute Pikachu shirt. It was a size large, which I thought was a men's. Turns out it was a kid's, and so it wasn't worth anything, so I just ended up giving it to Kiera. Even at $4.99, this True Religion hoodie was not worth picking up. Brand new, it sells for $100, but on the used market, there was a sold comp for only $28 and free shipping. We found this interesting BKE white leather jacket. I looked it up and there was no sold comps for the exact one, and the pricing was all over the place. So I decided to just pass on it. But after looking at the footage, I probably should have bought it.
Found this for the Xbox. Comes with the mic. All the parts seem to be moving. Needs a little cleaning. Place is pretty cool. Half off all children, jewelry, CDs, men's and women's coat, and kitchen.
And books.
Where's books? Oh yeah, books. There you go.
I found this unusual sized 44 Carhartt pants, and normally Carhartt is worth buying, but I looked up comps and they were like $16, so they just weren't worth buying.
Yeah, there's some cool ties.
Are there? It's red, but yeah.
Bears.
The bears. The lights. Yeah. I mean, this is what we need to do. These are just like normal brands.
Don Looper Beverly Hills. Strap for it. This one's actually tied. That's an ugly sweater.
Is it epic?
Look at the stocking. You can actually put stuff
Oh,
in.
that's sweet.
It's an XL.
Yeah.
Want me to put it back?
Yeah, it's fine.
The stocking's kind of dirty.
They had this pair of Miss Me jeans that was a little bit of an unusual size. The tag was all there, the zipper worked. The problem was that they were cut off. Found this really awesome Harley Davidson shirt. The problem was that they wanted $12 for it, so I couldn't buy it.
They have one pair of Miss Me's that aren't too high, but they're cut off. My True Religion, I can't pay $10 for a pair of True Religion. They just don't sell. Alright, we've kind of struck out with shopping, so we're going to go to Coney Island and get some hot dogs and meat sauce. Alright, here's my Coney Island. I've ate a couple bites. It's a little different with mustard. I don't remember that from when I was a kid. What do you think?
It's pretty good. They could add a little cheese to it and then make it really good.
Cheese, huh?
Yeah.
How's the burger?
Good. Look at what I found.
Yeah, van life.
It's my shirt.
Camper life, even. So $8. BKE men's and kind of an unusual size 40. It's a pretty big size. Tore up looking. Pocket's okay. Let's see. Zipper's okay. Bottoms of the jeans okay. Oh, a little rough. If the bottoms of the jeans weren't rough, I would definitely get them. But Bottoms are a little rough. These sell really well for me though. Let's see, $35 plus shipping is the cheapest one. 7 results sold, 28 sold. Recent, yeah, probably worth getting. Sell-through rate's really, really good.
As I promised at the beginning of the video, I found some items that I was trying to record and they just didn't get recorded. And so here they are. First, mini happy return. I really don't think getting returns on eBay is great. Now, I made that cheesy joke exactly like that when I thought I was filming and wasn't. And so I went ahead and looked up the sold comps for these cups because it said McDonald's on them. And I went ahead and looked them up and the sold comps are crazy. I'll go ahead and post. But I was like, oh man. So I went up front and the lady only charged me 25 cents per cup. So there were 2 of them. I saw 4 other sellers there and the thrift shop had been open for like 20 minutes. So I got pretty lucky.
So we found this really nice jacket, and on the tag it says that it's $90, but we can't find anything about this brand creation. So when I was looking these up, at first I just typed in medium because that's what it said right there on the tag. But it's actually an 8. It was in the men's, and so I was searching men's medium and it didn't come up right. So once I hit 8, then I could get this lowest price. So $16 plus shipping. It even says men's on there. So I told Kira about Pearl Snap shirts, and what do you think, Kira? You found one?
Yeah.
You look, Pearl Snap, and this one's kind of an odd size as well, so they only want $4.99, so probably worth getting. These are really warm on the bottom. Why are these so expensive? Like, they're no name. I don't get it.
Thanks for hanging out with us today. And if you liked today's video, please go and check out our other videos.